Bring to the stage Mark Lemon.
That very gracious and generous introduction. It is a real pleasure and privilege to be with you tonight. And, you know, for purposes of full disclosure, I'm a Dorsey Nunn groupie, so wherever Dorsey is, I go. But I also want to recognize, of course, we have some very distinguished folks here, in addition to a room full of wonderful people. Our public defender, Jeff Adachi, is here. Great Sheriff Russ Mercarimi is here. I saw school board member Matt Haney here as well. I'm overlooking other elected colleagues only because I have not seen you yet, but very briefly, because I know you have a program and some extraordinary people to give appropriate awards to tonight. But I wanted to thank you on behalf of myself and my colleague, Senator Lonnie Hancock, who does such a wonderful job as chair of the Public Safety Committee. I know you'll be honoring her counterpart, Assemblyman Tom Amiano, who chairs the Assembly Public Safety Committee tonight. You know Tom and his wit. It ends up, I play the straight man to Tom in Sacramento, which is a pretty good joke in and of itself. We did have some success this year in getting our Wobbler bill to the governor's desk with bipartisan support. So this is not a partisan issue. We are under court order to reduce our inmate population, and we have to do it very quickly. And we need to do it thoughtfully because, of course, our number one concern is the safety of our community so all of us can prosper. And not reducing, it just gave more authority to county district attorneys to be able to use their own good judgment. And can you imagine the California District Attorneys Association opposed our giving them more discretion and authority? And that's something I won't forget for a long time when they want to debate having more authority. We'll remind them that they didn't want it when we offered it to them. So we're on the road to success. I'm just going to remind you of a wonderful quote of Abraham Lincoln, who once said that with public sentiment, nothing can fail, and without it, nothing can succeed. Our good fortune is that the public understands what you are doing on a daily basis. They get that people need to be treated with dignity and respect and have their lives validated, and that we need to take limited, precious public resources and invest them in people, in rehabilitation, in the services that folks need to be able to succeed in their own lives, succeed with their families and for their neighborhoods and for their communities. When the governor's response to the 3-judge panel to reduce the prison population to meet the capacity cap, when he's proposed capacity, more capacity, and capacity alone, it was the Democrats in the Senate who said, no, we're not going there, Governor. The good news is he finally understood our alternative proposal, and that's where we're headed. Investing hundreds of millions of dollars in more drug and alcohol programs, treatment programs, and for all the accompanying services that folks need as they are making their way into reentry. With all that said, I have a resolution from the California State Senate, not only suitable for framing, it is framed, and I will spare you the witty and wonderful whereas clauses, but it does congratulate legal services for prisoners with children on the occasion of this 35th anniversary, thanking you for your valuable services to California and wishing you great success in the years ahead. As we say in the Jewish tradition, Ad Mea Esrim, should you live to 120, as did Moses. Congratulations. Dorsey, can I present this to you, please?
Dorsey Nunn receives the award.
Ladies and gentlemen,